What's going on, boys? Back again with another video. As y'all can see, we got the 437Ms on the car, and bro, I'm super pleased with how they came out, or how it looks on the car. My hands are hella dirty. I've been working on this thing all day because I was trying to get this all done. But yeah, it's sitting super nice. I got a late night POV for y'all. I'm gonna turn on the DRLs to show y'all what it's like. But real quick, before I even go any further, this is pretty much the shop that I'm gonna be coming to like whenever I have to bring my car to a shop. As y'all know, I work on my car myself, but if y'all are from like Edmonton area, this is the shop for like German cars. They got the Beamers, Audis, Range Rovers, everything like that. 4MATIC, I'll put their number up on screen and the location as well. Really chill people. Like I was here like yesterday, today, just chilling with all the guys. Really cool people. So if y'all are in this area, feel free to check out their shop. And hey, for real, I wouldn't be putting you guys onto no shops if it wasn't like for real. I'm not getting paid to like say this, so you know, this is the place to come to. Okay, so we're just getting the wheels all torqued. I need to wash this thing tomorrow, but yeah, I'm gonna turn it on a little bit, show y'all the DRLs, and we gonna get the POV running. The whole thing just flows though. Like with all the mods I got, the front lip, like the car just flows, bro. This shit's sitting super good. And I have some more mods coming soon as well. I'm recording on my phone right now if it sounds a little bit different from when I switched to GoPro, but yeah, I have some more mods coming pretty soon. But as the car is right now, like this shit's the best it's ever been in my eyes, bro. So I'm good, please. Yes sir, this shit looks so good. But let's get going with the POV. If it's y'all first time watching me, this is my 2016 340i. Currently it's on MHD Stage 2 high pressure fuel pump. I was on E40 like this morning, but I just ran out of E40 and it's getting colder, so the temperature is dropping. Right now it's freezing, so I'm just going to be running pump gas for now. But this is what the car is looking like. I think this is the best it's looked. The 437Ms are my dream wheels, so finally being able to have them on this car, it feels good, man. So let's get going with the POV. Enough of me talking. I got the mic on the front mount so y'all can hear what's up. Yeah, I hope you boys enjoy this video. My hands are hella dirty, don't mind that, and this one is kind of busted up from working on the car today. But and yeah, my car is X-Drive, but I'm running X-Delete right now. And this is my first drive with the X-Delete on pump gas, so we're gonna see what it's like, if the car slides a lot or not. Because with the E40, as y'all saw from my last videos, that thing was just slipping everywhere, no traction, nothing. But now I do got these tires are different, so we'll see. They're smaller, so I should be spinning a little bit more. Not like that's a good thing, but yeah, we're gonna see. Oh, I forgot to start the mic. Shit, let me do that real quick. I'm gonna do a launch right here. Yeah, I'm curious what a launch is like. Let's see how crazy it gets. Because with the X-Delete, like this thing hooks for nothing, bro. I got the DSC off as well. That's how I've been driving though. Like, driving is so much more fun with DSC off. It makes a huge difference, and people think it's just for drifting, but it's not. It really gives you like a lot more control over the car. So fun fact if y'all didn't know. But let's see. Nah, I'm just gonna do a burnout, bro. Like I barely even started like trying to launch it, and I could feel the tires just spinning back there. I'm not trying to eat up my new tires already. I wonder if it's gonna feel slower. I haven't really stepped on it like crazy yet. Right now it still feels the same pretty much compared to the E40 I was on, but I know that once I step on it, like the high end, that's where it really stands out, the ethanol. But yeah, I'm gonna see how much different it feels, because I was running the ethanol for hella long. I thought I was just gonna run like 2 tanks of the E40 and that's it, but nah, I was using that thing like as my daily for a minute. It's fun though, it's fun, it's real fun. But when it's getting colder, like, I don't know if you guys watch my shorts as well, but the startup in this thing in the low temperature, it's like struggling a little bit with the ethanol, because it gets cold here in Canada, bro. It ain't like the States, trust me. Yeah, it doesn't spin nearly as much, bro. Like on the E40, and these tires, these are no crazy tires. These ain't even warm up right now. With the E40, if this is y'all first time seeing me, when I'm on E40, if y'all don't know what E40 is just like a fuel type. It's like an ethanol mixture with regular pump gas, and it makes your car faster. That's just like what it is, simply put. So whenever y'all hear people talking about like E or like E85 or whatever, pretty much the same thing. The higher the E number, the higher the ethanol content is in the fuel. So like E40 wouldn't be as high of ethanol as E85. You know, it's pretty self-explanatory, but that's pretty much what it is. It makes the car way faster though. On E40, this thing does not hook in like first, second, and third. Nah, no chance. Unless it's an X drive, but with the X delete, that's the fastest y'all will ever see me go. But we in Mexico, so we chilling. Nah, but I don't even be going fast though, for real. I just be doing pulls usually. MTI highway. Behind me though, like cops that has be doing that, like they just be driving behind you, like if you're a car guy for no reason, like you could not be speeding or nothing. Y'all know what they like though. I ain't even got a vent about cops on here. Oh, that's 2 Beamers in front of me. Damn, I didn't even notice. It's like E90. Nah, that's not even E90. I don't even know what that is. I'm not the best with like old Beamers, I ain't even gonna lie. I know what they are, but not like the, I know what they look like, and yeah, that's clean. I just don't know the, like the model years. That one slammed. Yo, they both slammed. Mine is the highest one. Makes my shit look like it ain't even lowered. I don't even know if that was a cop behind me the whole time. It spins a little bit, as y'all see, but it's nothing compared to the E40. So that should give y'all a small idea of like what E40 is like, because y'all see how much more it spins on the E40. Because on camera it's hard to, I know it's hard to tell how fast the car is. Like camera doesn't do justice for speed. Oh shit, they pulled over someone. But yeah, camera does no justice, so y'all can have an idea like how much I spin on E40 compared to not running E40. Like I didn't know how crazy it was until I started running it, so I'll probably have a little idea what it's like now. I'm starving though. I need to get some food. I haven't eaten nothing good all day, I swear. I've been eating so bad, but we finally got the wheels on the car. I was just trying to like finish up a few things, but yeah, we got the wheels on the car. Like I said, new mods coming too. Like this is just one. I don't even think the wheels is as crazy as the other thing I'm planning to do, so y'all stay tuned for that. That's coming next Tuesday. I don't know if I'm gonna have it on the car next Tuesday, but we gonna see. So y'all look forward to that. A bunch of content coming. That thing that's coming next Tuesday is, I think it's like gonna be crazier than the wheels, but then I have something else coming after that that's even crazier, in my opinion at least. So a lot of mods coming to the car before winter comes in, because when winter comes about, bro, like you can't do shit. Yeah, I saw a cop just now going, they be going crazy down here, so I ain't trying to do nothing crazy. Let me go get some McDonald's real quick. And not the craziest POV, considering I just got new wheels, but it was a long day. I was just trying to get a POV out for y'all. Hopefully y'all boys enjoy it though, because y'all like the POVs a lot, especially with the mic up front. So I'm just gonna make that like mandatory for every video, like run the mic up front, might as well, because y'all seem to like it a lot. And a couple of my boys say they like it too, so huge shout out to them. I know y'all probably watching this video too. Yo, this is a EO? Yo, what the? What is this Yo, hold on. Let me take this shit out of my head real quick. I need to show y'all this car, bro. What the? Yo, let me get my... Nah, I need to get up for this one. Hold up. Like, this is this is evil. This is the craziest shit I ever seen. What the did I run into in the wild, bro? He probably wondering like, why the hell I'm recording his car? Let me go tell him nice car is so. Yeah, he ain't even looking at me, bro. Like, my B58 ain't nothing. Down. Nah, I'm just playing though. I probably get fast. Nah, that thing is so sick. I don't even know if it's my turn to order that.
Sorry, just a moment. Just a moment, please.
Oh, nah, you're good, bro. No rush. I would stay here to look at this evil all day. Yeah, I'm gonna tell him nice car or something. Who knows? He'll probably rev it for me. He probably just thinks I'm like some Beamer guy with an ego. A lot of Beamer people got egos. I noticed that. Like, most of y'all ain't even humble, bro. Like, I need to chill out. Like, come on. It's just a 40i. It ain't an M. Bro, since when you gotta pay 25 cents for a bag? I mean, it's 25 cents, but that's crazy. Like, why am I supposed to put my food in, bro? Like, I'm in a drive-thru. That is crazy. What's the word coming to, gang? Everything and everyone be tripping, I swear. 25 cents, like, lady was giving my, I wish I was recording, like, y'all probably know what it is though. The lady was giving me my food in like a glass container for me to take it out. Yeah, nah. Yeah, if I step on it in first gear, it spins a good amount, but I don't like launching in first gear or nothing like that. But hopefully y'all boys enjoy this video. Not the craziest POV, like I said, for new wheels, but I'm gonna be making a video pretty soon whenever I watch this thing, because since I got the new wheels on, I haven't even watched it. So yeah, I need to do that still. But yeah, hopefully y'all boys enjoy this video. Thank you again for watching. I'll catch y'all in the next one.